All right, everybody, special treat here today. It's the 1957 Dodge Desoto Adventure. This is equipped with the 345 Hemi with dual quads and a little bit hotter cam, producing about 345 horsepower, and also a TorqueFlite automatic transmission that has the push button selector right up here on the dash. So really cool option there. Some other cool options that we have here are power windows. It also has a power seat. There you go. And it was also equipped with air conditioning. Now the air conditioner blower works and everything like that, but it's not blowing very cold. So we're gonna have our shop take a closer look at that. But yeah, tremendous car all the way around. Kind of a concourse restoration, very detail oriented, and that has less than 1,800 miles on it since completion. Power steering works very easily, and the power brakes work great as well. Now let's see what she's got. Right, and just like that, up to speed's absolutely no problem. Now I'm not sure, but you may be able to see in the camera that's actually set 80 miles an hour. Well, that's because we imported this with a small collection of cars from Sweden, so this has been converted over to kilometers per hour. Could be easily converted back to miles per hour if that's a concern for you. But yeah, no choppiness or breakups in the engine at all. I know those dual quads can be a little bit of a hassle to go ahead and tune, but this one is dialed in very nicely. The suspension's all been redone. Feels great going over these bumps, just floats right over everything. You can tell that the quality of the build is here, the quality of the car is here when you're behind the wheel. It's just it's a tremendous vehicle, it really is. Absolutely in love with this one. Of course, you're going to get looks, thumbs up everywhere you go. They can't miss the fins from a mile away. So if you'd like to come out and test drive it for yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. We're about a 40-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport. If you need to fly in, just contact Joey or Eric in our sales department, and they'll be more than happy to arrange that for you. Also, if you feel you need another opinion, you can hire a third-party inspector and they can complete a full inspection for you. But as I see it, it's a fantastic vehicle, very nicely built. You're truly going to love it. Check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.